Hello friends, welcome back to channel. So today we will discuss about the df command. Okay, this show the file system utilization. Let me execute it. Okay, what it's showing, these are the file system mounted on this system, on these directories and its issues. So let me explain this first. So we are having a directory called slash. Okay, and slash is for OS, but somewhere in hardware it is get mounted. So this is our disk dev sda1. Okay, these are the block uses and it's mounted on slash. So this how all the file system are mounted here. And if we talk about cd slash home, so it covers under slash. Okay, how we can differentiate? We'll run this in a human readable form df-h. Okay, udev is the file system, size is this much, use is this much, available is this much, percentage is in use, and dev like mounted on which directory. Same slash dev sda1, this is a hard disk sda1, 39 GB, currently use 3.9 GB, 35 GB is free, percentage is 11% use only, and it's mounted on slash. There are many options with the df command which we will use in next like coming videos. Topic by topic we will jump on those. So this is the command to see the file system utilization. So if you are if interviewer asks you how you will check the file system utilization, what's the percentage, it is high, low, how you will check, you do df-h. But if he is saying check the file system utilization of slash df-h file system name slash, and if customer is saying like slash home or something, put slash home. Although slash home is part of slash in this system, it will show slash home is mounted on under slash. So this is a thing like slash etc, correct, or df-h. Okay, so according to your need df-h, you can check the temp file system also. And if you want, you can do df-h, check the utilization percentage here, accordingly take the action. Okay, so df-h temp, if you are specific to directory and you are not sure where it is mounted, so run this command like I'm not sure where slash etc sysctl.d is mounted and what's the utilization. Okay, it's mounted on slash. Okay, so it's a part of slash. There is no separate partition for slash ct sudo sysctl.de, and utilization is like this. So this is the easiest way to find file system utilization. Furthermore, we'll discuss how you can reduce the file system size and these things. We'll go one by one. But this is the command. You can do man df-h for other abbreviations. There's a call df-i for inode. I will tell you in the next coming video what's the df-i, what's the inode, why we are like it's in use. So till then, df-h is a command to see the file system utilization. ठीक है, bye.